Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How are you? Hope you are fine. Today's sixth lecture. Today's topic is Chief Minister of Punjab, Pakistan. We're going to start Chief Minister of Punjab. The first one has Khan Iftikhar Hussain Mabdood. His time period was 15 August 1947 to 25th January 1949. Second was Mian Mumtaz Khan Dultana. His time period was 15 April 1951 to 3rd April 1953. Third was Malik Feroz Khan Noon. His time period was 3 April 1953 to 21 May 1955. Fourth was Abdul Hamid Khan Dasti. His time period was 21 May 1955 to 14 October 1955. Fifth was Malik Miraj Khalid. His time period was 2 May 1972 to 12 November 1973. Sixth was Ghulam Mustafa Khar. His time period was 12 November 1973 to 15 March 1974. Seventh was Mumtaz Muhammad Hanif Rameh. His time period was 15 March 1947 to 15 July 1975. And number 8, Sadiq Hussain Qureshi. His time period was 15 July 1975 to 5th July 1977. Ninth was Mian Muhammad Nawaz Sharif as caretaker. His time period was 9 April 1985 to 1st December 1988. And after this, Mian Nawaz Sharif was selected as Chief Minister. His time period was 2 December 1988 to 13 August 1990. And number 11, Ghulam Haider Wine. His time period was 8 November 1990 to 25th April 1993. And number 12, Manzoor Ahmed Vattu as caretaker. His time period was 25th April 1993 to 19 July 1993. After this, Mia S.H. Mansoor Elai as a caretaker. His time period was 19 July 1993 to 20 October 1993. After this, Manzoor Ahmed Vattu as Chief Minister of Punjab, Pakistan. His time period was 20 October 1993 to 13 September 1995. After this, Sardar Arif Nakai. His time period was 13 September 1995 to 3 November 1996. After this, Chaudhry Afzal Hayat as a caretaker. His time period was 16 November 1996 to 20 February 1997. After this, Mia Shehbaz Sharif. His time period was 20 February 1997 to 12 October 1999. At number 18, Chaudhry Parvez Elai. His time period was 29 November 2002 to 18 November 2007. At number 19, Justice Sheikh Ijaz Nasir as a caretaker. His time period was 19 November 2007 to 11th April 2008. At number 20, Sardar Dost Muhammad Khosa. His time period was 12 April 2008 to 6 June 2008. After this, Mian Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif. Again, his time period was 8 June 2008 to 26 March 2013. After this, Najib Sethi. His time period was 27 March 2013 to 6 June 2013. After this, Mian Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif as third time. His time period was 6 June 2013 to still date. These were the Chief Ministers of Punjab, Pakistan. Thanks for watching. Hope you gain knowledge. Kindly subscribe my channel. Inshallah it will be helpful to you in your life. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.